Hi everyone, my name is Martha and I just want to welcome you to Sublimation Sassy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a slider. So I did grab an image, which is this one right here. I'm doing roses. It's 400 degrees for 45 seconds. I'm just going to lay it down like this. As you see, I did put some tape to secure my image. And then I'm just going to press down. Hi everyone, I'm back. So let's open up. Let's see. There you go. How beautiful. There's my sublimation rose that I selected this image. And I love my bling, so I'm going to take this sheet and just line it up like so. Just going to go over here. There we go. How beautiful. Great. Well, thank you everyone for joining me on this video on how to make a slider. Thank you.